What's good, gang? We back with another video. I know it's been a little minute. I've been slacking. Been having a bunch of shit to do. So, yeah. But we're back. So we about to be on this again. For sure this time. I'm gonna try to start posting one video a week. That's what we're going for. We're going for one video a week to start. And then we're gonna start getting more consistent. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. Today we're just gonna hang out. About to go to Walmart, get some stuff. Probably gonna go play basketball after. Want to go hoop for a little bit, go hang out, get a little hoop sesh going on. I might wash my mom's car. All the girls been gone with my mom for the past couple days, so I feel like it'd be nice to wash the car, clean it out, do all the good stuff, be a good son, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so hey, also if you guys ain't heard this new Rod Wave shit, let me. Y'all need to get on this.
22 many things I'm seeing you. 23 looking for the 24s. 25 the time to be alive. Am I getting old?
Alright, but I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to Walmart. Okay, so shopping trip got cut a little short. Jared texted me and said we're going to the gun range. So I only bought 2 basketballs. I was gonna buy some basketballs, some clothes. Maybe. What the fuck? But yeah, so now, change of plans. Probably not gonna go play basketball until later. Yeah, but we're gonna go shoot some fucking targets. So, it'll be lit. But I'll catch you guys whenever I'm on my way to Jared's house.
You shot twice, right?
Yeah.
Come on, Jared zoned in. He locked in. Should I take my elbow off the table? I don't know where it went.
A little low, but getting open.
The hell is he shooting?
Right? Yeah, go get your
Take a look at 11. Did I hit it at any time with this one?
Okay, hang on.
set up over there. I can't use the red dot.
I don't know. I can't.
It's like
Count like 5.
Now come up.
Keep it pointed forward. So
Aim way high, way right.
Oh, you got a spot and scope?
You can get it from there.
One.
So you rotated that one counterclockwise as well, correct?
Yeah. You like left-handed?
All right, give me
No.
3 shots at that.
My
top
right shoulder
left
just
arm.
hurts, so I'm trying to.
Okay.
Are you done shooting it or what?
I'm gonna shoot a couple more.
You want to shoot some?
Hell no. I'm done with that motherfucker. That shit hurt.
Be kind of wimpy right now. Where like if your eyes aren't there, you're not there, you're just getting tired or whatever. I have to take a break sometimes. But if
Dirt.
okay. So when you have this engaged, you just get blurry. It cleans up. It's your focus.
This is the last 5.
That still freaked me out, man.
What? Oh.
Alright, we just got done at the range. Well, we got done about an hour ago. Went home. My fucking shoulder's hurting.
I like shit.
That motherfucker
He hit
sniper rifle was fucking OD. That bitch hurt.
Shit. Kick like a mule.
Cooked like a fucking mule.
Hung
The
like a
fucking
mule.
older one, the 30 carbine. What is it? Carbine. That shit hurt too. But yeah, so we're gonna go fucking pick up little brother.
Tay the Bay.
And then I'm going home. And then I'll figure out how I'm feeling after that.
Gonna go home and ice the shoulder.
Nah, for real. Jerry gotta go home and clean the guns.
Go home, clean the guns and sleep.
Do not want to go to work tomorrow. But fuck it, dude.
You gotta have somebody do it. So guess who's gonna do it? I'm gonna do it.
Oh, we stopped at Bass Pro Shop also. Motherfucker Jerry got a fucking kniffy.
Little kniffy.
A new kniffy.
Just to spread my peanut butter and jelly on my Sammy. Smith & Wesson. Now I got 2 knives I carry on me.
He got that double hand.
The double
block
effect is what I call it.
We're gonna see in a little bit.
You already know the deal then.
See ya. Blah. Damn. Oh, he got sideswiped. So he's really trying to. What's good, gang? We didn't end up picking up the camera again. I had to go pick up my little brother, and then we just came home. What are you doing? Okay, give me a minute. Close the door. Anyways, I appreciate you guys for watching. I know it was a quick little vlog, but we're just getting back in the swing of things. I promise we won't start working, grinding, doing all that good stuff. I also made a purchase recently, and I got a PC. Don't worry about the honey buns. So if you guys want some gaming videos, let me know down in the comments. I might make a gaming channel thing, see how that goes. But yeah, so I appreciate you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we're gonna catch you in the next one. Peace.
I am the GOAT, please, you can't replace me. Ball like Tracy McGrady, pulling up in the Mercedes. That bitch say she know me, she just wanna have my baby.